We'll guide you through how to send large files through email. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So you've got a large or big file you want to go and send via an email. You're commonly going to go and find that an email provider has a maximum of around 25 megabytes, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes less. And so if you've got a file larger than that, you're going to struggle to go and attach it and go and send it via the email. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. This applies to Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, any email provider, it doesn't matter. So make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything as we're guiding through exactly what you need to go and do. So without any other further ado, let's get started. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice, whether that's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, doesn't matter. Now, what you need to do is come to google.com. So for this, we are going to be using a Google service, but you can go and use it for free, which is really good. What you need to do is on google.com is come to the top right and press sign in. If you have a Google account, go and sign in. If you don't, you can create one there. I'm already signed in, which is why I can see my profile icon. So once you have your account signed in, come back to google.com as we are. Now what you need to do is go and press Google Apps in the top right. You need to go and find the option for Drive and you need to go and click there. This will go and open up. Now what you need to do is you want to come to the top left and go and press New, press File Upload. Now you need to go and find the file you want to do it with, and you need to go and select it and go and press Open. Now it's going to go and start uploading. So go and be patient. So with Google Drive and a Google account, you've got 15 gigabytes. So you can do this with files up to 15 gigabytes. Of course, you can always get more storage as well. You have to pay for that though, but 15 gigabytes should be plenty. When it's uploaded, you want to go and click on it in the bottom right. And now we need to go and do this correctly. So go to the top right and go and press Share. Now, just to go and make this as easy as possible for people to go and access, what I like to do is go and set the general access to anyone with the link. If it's very private, you can add people at the top, but I think it's easiest to go and set it to anyone with the link. So now you can go and press copy link and this file is now a link. So what you can do is come to your email provider and you can go and start. So now you can come to your email provider, whether it's Outlook, Yahoo, Gmail, it doesn't matter. And you can go and start composing your email. And in the message, just all you need to do is make sure you go and right click and press paste. And that is the link. So somebody can then go and click on it and they're going to be able to go and access the file and they can go and download it from there as well. So it's that simple.